welcome back to my channel, and yes, I'm showing you guys my Target haul. Now, I am such an idiot, and I am still on vacation mode because there's a couple deals that I wanted to do. Totally forgot to do them. There was also some deals that I totally forgot to get the coupons, but I'm just like, whatever. I think this month for Ibotta is a crappy month. I don't even know if I'm going to hit level 4. I feel like this month just kind of sucks. I mean, I even took a week off and I still feel like there was not any good deals. But I wanted to share with you guys a couple good deals that you guys can try to do this week if you guys can do it. And to try to get some Ibotta stuff. Now, I ended up doing the swab deal. Now the swab deal is buy 3 you get a $5 gift card, okay? So I used 2 $1 off coupons for the swab shampoo and conditioner, plus I used a $1 off coupon for the hairstyle. The shampoo was $2.99 or $2.89 and the hairspray was $2.99. You guys, after you use those $3 off, $1 off coupons, you guys would pay $5.77 for these. But then you guys will end up getting a $5 gift card, making all 3 of these just 57 cents, which I think is a great deal. My cat is being right next to me. The only thing is, if you guys ever have Fetch Rewards is an app where you scan your receipt and you get points. Certain items you get extra points, but mostly every single receipt you scan you get 25 points. Once you get to 1,000, that comes out to be $1. But hey, you know, it's free money. And you guys can you guys can get as much as $3 as your smallest gift card. So if you guys are interested, I do have the link below. I highly recommend joining it. It is my second favorite app other than Ibotta. So I ended up getting 37 points for scanning my receipt for all 3 of these swab items. So if you guys really think about it, you know, it came out to be 40 cents after the Fetch Rewards, but we're just going to say 77 cents. My cat is just being so lovable right now. Like, she just keeps running around my feet. I just gotta hold her. She just wants me to hold her. She misses me. She misses me. We didn't take her on vacation, but she misses me. But for 77 cents for the swab, I think that's a pretty good deal if you guys are brand loyal. So go for it if you guys are interested in something like that. The next deal I got is the Swab Summer's Eve's moisture wipes or whatever. I do not use these. I have a friend who actually really likes these. But these were $2.99. Everyone else had them for $4.99, but this flavor was only $2.99. There is a 5% off deal on Cartwheel. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm still just getting over being sick. Plus, I had those $1 off coupons that were in on coupons.com from a couple weeks ago. They're no longer available. So I ended up paying $3.68 for these. But then you guys can submit $2.50 off of 2 on Ibotta. So these come out to be $1.18 or just 59 cents. So if you guys are interested in something like this, my friend really enjoys using these. So I thought, why not get her something good? She could use. I have so many bags over here. I was going to do the olives, but I forgot my coupon. So if you guys try to do the olive deal, then we have those $2 off coupons. They're on sale for $3. We have those $2 off coupons. You guys can submit 75 cents off of Ibotta, making them just $0.25. So you guys could do that. I was going to get the Newman's organic dressing, but my store didn't have it, and I forgot to look when I was at Walmart. So I'm just like, whatever. And then I was gonna get M&Ms, but my store was sold, didn't even carry those. So there's my story for that. I ended up getting the Faye total. This was $1.42. You guys would pay $1.42 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, making the final price for this just 67 cents. Now I would do this deal at Walmart, but my store doesn't carry these at Walmart. It's weird. It's weird. So went and got the total. And then I got the Faye crossovers. These were $1.29. You guys would pay $1.29 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate off of Ibotta, making the final price for this just 54 cents. So if you guys are interested in some yogurt, go for it. I hate my hair, it just curls right there. But yeah, that was my haul. It was kind of sad. I wanted to get a lot more stuff, but my store just was not, there's just not a lot of great deals going on with Ibotta. So be prepared, you guys. I'm really going to try to push Ibotta this month, but if it's not going to get better, I think we might just pass. It's okay to pass, but if you guys haven't enjoyed Ibotta, it usually is an awesome. Last month was probably the best month I have ever had, and a lot of you guys said May was the best month you ever had, so yes. My total came to $12.16. I ended up getting $4.25 back with Ibotta. I also had a 25-cent rebate for anything. I ended up getting that $5 gift card for buying the 3 swabs. And then I got that 37 points for Fetch Rewards, but I did not factor that in my total. So my total came to $2.91. I did not figure out how many. I think I got like 8 items. No, I don't even know how many items I got, but that's how many items I got for $2.91. I think that's a great deal, but I said it's a very sad week at Target, but like I said, you guys should definitely join Fetch Rewards and Ibotta. I have all the information below. You guys can also join my team if you haven't already. You can be my Ibotta, or sorry, you can be my Facebook team on Facebook. You can be my friend, and then once you guys be friends request me and you join, then you guys get to be on my Ibotta team, so you guys can see when I do stuff and I can see when you guys do stuff. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. But again, I want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye bye.